This is the opening to Thomas and Friends King of the Railway 2013 DVD. All new movie. ABC for Kids logo. Here's the front. Spine. Profile picture of Thomas. ABC for Kids logo. ABC DVD logo. Its catalog number is R11388289. And here's the back. It's the royal year of the event. Join Thomas as they embark on their legendary movie adventure. The Steam team's quest begins with when a special guest arrives on Sodor with a big surprise, important job for Thompson, Percy, and James. The engines meet new friends and discover suits of armor, coats of arms, and legends of long ago heroes. Then their bravery is put to the test when their new friend Stephen goes missing. Will Thomas find him in time? Will the engines discover the truth about the island of Sodor's big mystery? It's a crusade of knightly proportions for Thomas and friends in this epic movie. New friends: Stephen, Millie, Connor, and Caitlin. Bonus features: 4 fantastic Guess Who puzzles, sing-along working together again, new sing-along searching everywhere, new sing-along. It's gonna be a great day. Here's the disc. And I hope you enjoy it. Thomas and Friends King of the Railway, the movie.
It was a beautiful day on the island of Sodor. Thomas and